Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start streamlining operations with Monday.com, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the key operations you want to streamline. Gather your team and discuss the specific processes that need improvement. Visit the Monday.com website and sign up for an account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Create a new board by selecting the New Board option. Name your board according to the project or operation you are focusing on. Choose whether to start with a blank board or use a template. If you opt for a template, browse the available options and select one that matches your needs. Add columns to your board to represent different stages of your workflow. Customize column types such as status, date, or text to fit your specific requirements. Begin adding items to your board, which represent tasks or projects. Assign team members to each item to clarify responsibilities. Set due dates for tasks to ensure timely completion. Use the status columns to track progress on each item. Integrate any necessary tools or applications from the Integration Center. Establish automations to reduce repetitive tasks and streamline notifications. Regularly review your board with your team to discuss progress and any roadblocks. Encourage team members to provide feedback and suggest improvements. Adjust workflows as needed based on your team's experiences and feedback. Utilize the dashboard view to get an overview of all ongoing projects. Monitor performance metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of your operations. Continue to iterate and refine your processes for ongoing improvement. Be sure to conduct periodic training sessions to keep the team informed of any new features or updates. Celebrate milestones and successes to maintain team motivation and engagement. By following these steps, you can effectively streamline your operations using Monday.com. Stay committed to continuous improvement for the best results in your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.